In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload fonts to Canva, whether you want to customize your designs with unique typography or integrate a specific font style that aligns with your brand. This guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Uploading fonts in Canva gives you the freedom to elevate your projects and maintain a consistent visual identity across all your creations. First, make sure you're logged into your Canva account, as uploading fonts requires a Canva Pro subscription. Once you're logged in, open the design where you want to use the new font. Select the text box where the font will be applied. Clicking on the text box highlights it, ensuring that your uploaded font will be applied to the right area. Navigate to the top menu where your current font name is displayed. Click on this area to open the font drop-down menu. This menu lists all the fonts available in your account, including default Canva fonts and any fonts you've uploaded previously. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you will find an option that says Upload a font. Click on this option to open a file browser window on your computer. Locate the font file you want to upload. Canva supports font files in TTF, OTF, and WOFF formats, so make sure your font is compatible. Once you find your font file, click Open to start the upload process. It's important to note that you should only upload fonts you have the rights to use. Make sure you either own the font or have permission from the creator to use it in your projects. Respecting intellectual property ensures that your designs remain legally compliant and professional. Once the font is successfully uploaded, it will appear in your font list, typically under the Uploaded Fonts section. Click on your newly uploaded font to apply it to your selected text. Take a moment to check how it looks in your design, making sure it complements the overall aesthetic. Fonts in Canva opens up countless creative possibilities. You can maintain brand consistency across presentations, social media graphics, posters, and other visual content. It allows you to give your designs a personal touch that stands out, making your work look professional and polished. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to upload fonts into Canva. With this capability, you can experiment with different styles, add personality to your designs, and create visually striking projects that reflect your brand or personal style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore more features in Canva to enhance your creativity even further. Keep designing and enjoy the process of bringing your ideas to life with custom fonts. Happy designing!